Have a good day. So this demo is for creating a Google Classroom. So click on this 9 dots, opening my Gmail, clicking on the dots. I will have all my Google apps. So here click on the Classroom. The Google Classroom can be created from the phcast.ac.in domain, that is official Google Suite mail ID, or from the normal Gmail ID. If you create it from the Google Suite mail ID, only the students who have that Google Suite mail ID can join into the class. So I'm creating a class from a normal Gmail ID by clicking on this plus symbol, selecting creating class, clicking on this and continue. I'm going to create a class here. Let me give the class name as BSc Computer Science and section as B and subject as operating system and clicking on create. So it is creating the Google Classroom for me. Already there are many classes available. So it is creating the new class with the name BSc Computer Science and the subject as operating system. Now the class has been created and classroom code is also generated. We can share this classroom code to the students. So we can copy this classroom code and paste it in the notepad so that it can be shared to the students through the WhatsApp. Or if you know the mail ID of the student, you can just click the pupil and here it will appear as teachers and students. Teachers is the one who have joined already in this to teach the student. So one teacher is available and create a student. I have to click on this icon plus and type the mail ID of the student if you know already. And I'm clicking that. Set click on invite, so the invite will be automatically sent to the respective students. So the student should join into this particular Google Classroom. So if I click here, if I see my mail ID in the updates column, I got an invitation that is to join into the Google Classroom. I click on this join, so automatically I will be joining into the Google Classroom. So join, I'm confirming it and I'm joining into that class. So if I come to the teachers mode, you refresh it and I can see that who are the people who have joined to this particular class. So one student has joined class. So to assign the classwork to the students, click on the classwork, and classwork is nothing but you can create a new classwork. So you can click on the classwork and classwork can be created by clicking on this create. So either assignment or quiz, anything can be created to the student and posted here. I am clicking on the assignment. So assignment 1, I am clicking here, instruction submitted. You can add whichever instruction needed for the students and give the clear instructions step by step and add. And I am adding a file from my system. So I'm going to click on the upload and browse. From the drive, I'm going to select my file and upload it. Or you can create a link and that link can be shared with the Google document or a Google Sheet. Anything can be created here also. You have options, Google Doc or slide or sheet or drawings, whatever it is, you can create. If you want to make it as a quiz assignment, create a form and assign that form here. Let it be a multiple choice question form. And I have added the assignment schedule from my drive. So the student will have three options. That is either they can have a view file or they can edit a file, or I can make the copy of this document to individual student. Let me click on student can view the file, and this assignment is posted for Basic Computer Science B, and it is meant for all the students who are available, or you can individually selecting, you can unselect and select. So you can select the individual student in the list and you can post the assignment so that it will be sent to the particular students, not to the all students. And let me mark the assignment as 10 marks. And due date also I can set, so the due date is somewhere around 27th August and time is optional. and topic can be created. I'm creating this as assignment 1, so that whatever they post here, it will be added into this particular folder. If you don't create the topic, the folder will not be created. So you have to create a name with the folder. So this will be the folder name, and whatever they submit will be saved here. And assignment is created. Now I have to assign this. So when you click on this assign, you will have the options like this: assign, schedule, save the draft, or discard the draft. If you want to delete this created assignment, you can discard it, or you can save it for future purpose. So I can add some other titles and add it with the student, or I can able to schedule this. So when you want to post this assignment to the student, let me give it as 13th August at 2 p.m. I would like to post this assignment 2 p.m. So I am scheduling this assignment. So it will not be posted by today or tomorrow. It will be posted and available to the student only on 13th August. So this is creating an assignment. Suppose if I want to create a video material, or I want to post a material. So either it can be a material or it can be a video. I can give whatever it is. So refer, this instruction can be given to the students. Refer this video. I can add a video. So now in the add, again I have the same options: Google Drive link file. So if you know the link of a YouTube or video link, you can paste here. If you don't know, click on the YouTube, and here you have to give the query what you want to search or which video you want to share with the student. Operating system animation, and I'm clicking on that. Click on search. Automatically some videos related to that will appear. I am selecting one and clicking on add. So that particular video will be added here. So this particular video will be posted to the students. So select to which class you want to share, and select the students whom do you want to share. By default all the students. No topic, I have to create a topic. Let me assign it as video material 1. So the folder will be created there. All the videos I'm posting will be video materials. So everything will be posted here, and post it. I'm posting it now. So clicking on the posting, so it will be posted to the student. Suppose if you want to create a question, so question, so you type the question here. Let me assign define OS. So the instructions can be given: answer this question or whatever it may be. Answer the question. And I no need to add the question or any attachment here. I'm just asking the question to the student. So to the classroom, you have to select which classroom you want and select the students you want, and make it as 2 marks or 5 marks or whatever it is. And no due date. New date is, you can set that also. By today itself they have to answer, and ask the question. And I'm asking the question to the student. Now the student should answer this question. See, now 0 handled in, 1 assigned. Only one student is there, so it is showing that 1 assigned. So if you want to, if you have assigned to the multiple students, it will show it as number of students: 60 assigned, 50 assigned, like that. So how the student answer is, so the student view, if I see the classroom here, my click on this classwork, I have the question. I have one video material. So I have the video material. So if the student clicks on this, he can able to view this video. So define OS. So I have to answer the question. So to answer the question, I have to see the question. Yes, it is said. Now I have to answer the question. So OS is, I'm just answering the question. Hardware and software. So the student is answering the question, and he handed. So he has to click, he should click handle. So the handle is clicked by the student. Now this is the teacher point. So if I see this refresh it, so that whoever answered, it will get refreshed here. So the question posted here is available, define YS. If I see here, it will show that earlier it showed as 0 handled in, now it is showing as 1 handled. So if I click that 1 handled in, you can get the answered student. So one student is answered for this question. Now 0 assigned, because I have assigned the question to only one student and all answered whoever assigned with the assignment. So 1 handled in and 1 assigned. So you have to put the mark for the student. I am putting it as 5 and saving it as. So it will be posted to the student and return it. So you have to, so I have to return it to the student. Suppose if you want, I'm clicking on the class. If you want to add your Google Meet link with this classwork, so click on the classroom and you have to create the assignment. See, Google Meet link. Google Meet link. So the instruction, join the Google Meet link. So I have to create, I have to add the link here. So add and click the link. Now the link to be copied here. The link can be copied from this. So this copied and select this link and I am pasting the link here and add link. So it has been added to this, and this can be added and assigned to all the students who are, so it can be unmarked to the class, whichever the class it is, basic computer science, and it is assigned to all the students and marked no due to everything, so assign. So it has been assigned to the student. Now if the student sees that, so if the student sees that particular class, click on that particular class. So I have posted the new thing, Google Meet link. So the student can join this Google Meet by clicking on this Google Meet. So Google Meet. So automatically he can join into the class by clicking the link. Thank you. So that is how he